Hey everyone, this is Charu, legal intern at LEXIS and Company. In the previous video, we saw the meaning of patent and what can be patentable. Now let's see the rights and obligations of the patentee. First, coming to the rights of the patentee, the first right is right to exploit patent. A patentee has the exclusive right to make use, exercise, sell or distribute the patented article or substance in India, or to use or exercise the method or process if the patent is for a person. This right can be exercised either by the patentee himself or by his agent or licensees. The patentee's rights are exercisable only during the terms of the patent. Right to grant license is the next right. The patentee has the discretion to transfer rights or grant licenses or enter into some other arrangement for a consideration. A license or an assignment must be in writing and registered with the controller of patents for it to be legitimate and valid. The document assigning a patent is not admitted as evidence of title of any person to a patent unless registered, and this is applicable to assignee, not to the assigner. The third right is right to surrender. A patentee has the right to surrender his patent, but before accepting the offer of surrender, a notice of surrender is given to persons whose name is entered in the register as having an interest in the patent and their objections, if any, considered. The application for surrender is only published in the official gazette to enable interested persons to oppose. The fourth right is the right to sue for infringement. The patentee has a right to institute proceedings for infringement of the patent in a district court having jurisdiction to try the suit. Next, let's see about the obligations of the patentee. The first obligation is government use of patents. A patented invention may be used or even acquired by the government for its use only. It is to be understood that the government may also restrict or prohibit the usage of the patent under specific circumstances. In case of a patent in respect of any medicine or drug, it may be imported by the government for its own use or for distribution in any dispensary, hospital or other medical institution run by or on behalf of the government. The foresaid use can be made without the consent of the patentee or payment of any royalties. Apart from this, the government may also sell the article manufactured by the patented process on royalties, or may also acquire a patent on paying suitable compensation. The second obligation is compulsory licenses. If the patent is not worked satisfactorily to meet the reasonable requirements of the public at a reasonable price, the controller may grant compulsory licenses to any applicant to work the patent. A compulsory license is a provision under the Indian Patent Act which grants power to the government to mandate a generic drug maker to manufacture inexpensive medicine in public interest even as a patent in the product is valid. Compulsory licenses may also be obtained in respect of related patents where one patent cannot be worked without using the related patent. The next obligation is revocation of patent. A patent may be revoked in cases where there has been no work or unsatisfactory result to the demand of the public and in respect of the patented invention. Invention for defense purposes such as patents may be subject to certain secrecy provisions, that is, publication of the invention may be restricted or prohibited by direction of the controller. Upon continuance of such order or prohibition of publication or communication of patented invention, the application is debarred for using it and the central government might use it on payment of royalties to the applicant. The fifth obligation is restored patents. Once lapsed, a patent may be restored provided that few limitations are imposed on the right of the patentee. When the infringement was made between the period of the date of infringement and the date of the advertisement of the application for reinstatement, the patent has no authority to take action for infringement. So that's it for today's video, guys. In the next part of patent, let's see about the procedure and authorities concerned with patents. Like this video, comment your feedbacks and subscribe to LEXCLIQ for more legal stuff.